guys, today I thought we could do a bit of like a different kind of video, I guess. What I'm going to do is, in these boxes, everything that I've got from my recent advent calendar unboxing. So I'm going to empty it all out, and then I thought that we'd go through it together and I'll show you what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to put into giveaways. It could honestly be like a variety of reasons. Either, you know, it's a product that I'm not really interested in, or one that I don't think I'll use, or something that I've already got a lot of, or, you know, so I just thought we'd go through it. But I feel like this is fun because obviously you see the advent calendar unboxings and you see all the products, but I think it's like good to kind of also know like what will be getting used and what won't be, and also exciting to see some giveaways coming up. So let's empty everything out and then we'll go through it. Oh no, something must have leaked because there's like oil or something, so I don't know where that's come from. There's actually so much stuff. Okay, so this is from like a couple of different advent calendars. I'll try and remember what certain things came from, but I feel like I'm gonna have a little bit of a hard time with that. So anyway, so I'm gonna try and be a bit like more cutthroat and just a bit realistic as well, because I feel like it's so exciting when you get a big haul of like new things, and like I feel like it's very easy to get like carried away and want to keep it all. But I need to remember that I still have products sitting there that I still haven't used. So I just really need to be like super onto it, just make sure that, you know, I'm not getting carried away and that what I'm keeping will actually be used. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. And the first thing that I'll start with is this, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Sugar Glass. I think this came in the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar, but don't quote me. And I will be passing this one along just because I already have one. That was easy. God, this is going to be harder than I thought actually. So next we have the Salt and Stone Body Wash in Black Rose and Oud. I just want to smell it again, but yeah, it's just, it isn't like, one part of me really likes it, the other part doesn't. But then I remember I've got like 20 body like shower gels sitting there waiting to be used, so one that I'm not sold on, it doesn't need to stay, it can go. I think I'll be passing on these lashes as well. I think these also came out of the Pretty Little Thing calendar. I'll tell you what I can remember, and what I can't I just will leave. So but anyway, these are from Oh My Lash and they're in the style Obsessed, but yeah, they're just not the kind of lash that I will reach for. So this is the Melon Jelly Dewy Primer from the Beauty Crop, Dewy Long Lasting Primer, and I will be keeping this one. I'm really excited to try that out. Gives me like the Ciate London vibes. Do you guys remember the it was like the watermelon something, watermelon burst or something? So yeah, I will be keeping that one. This is the Agent Norta Holy Water Hyaluronic Pearl and Rose Essence, and I think I'll pass this one along. It does look really nice, but like I don't know, I just feel like it's not something that like grabs my attention or that I really want to try out, so I'll pass that along. I think these came in the ASOS calendar or the Revolve. It was one of the two, I can't remember, but I will be keeping this. It's a full size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I do really enjoy this mascara, and I've recently decluttered a lot of my mascaras because they were old and stuff, so I've only got a couple of open at the moment, so I'll be keeping her. We have a beauty sponge from Pink Honey. Now normally I'd pass along the beauty sponges, but it's Halloween time at the moment and I have been using a lot of my beauty sponges with like face paint and stuff like that, so a lot of mine are wrecked at the moment, so I'm in need of a new one. I don't know why this won't focus, so yeah, I'll keep her. I'm going to keep the things that I'm not sure about until a bit later. This, I will be keeping this. This is the Ritual of Jing Relaxing Body Scrub. I got one of these last year. It was the red one. I can't remember what it was called. And I loved it. It was like one of my favourite body scrubs, but it made my eyes like sting in the shower. So it'll be interesting to see if the same happens with this. But anyway, I will be keeping that. These I will be getting rid of. These I talked about in the actual calendar unboxing. I just think they're really not nice fabric. Like I just feel like they don't look very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those. The Tartelette Tubing Mascara, I will be keeping this one. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I don't think I've ever tried a tubing mascara, so it'll be a bit fun and different for me. The Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Wand in Pinkgasm I will be keeping. I'm really excited to try this out as well. I want to film like a video comparing this and like the dupes, so This is the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 all-in-one face oil. I think I will keep this actually. I'm excited to try some more things from Summer Fridays. And this does look really nice. And it says it's like, you know, it adds hydration and stuff like that. And I'm always after a bit of hydration. So I will keep her. That was quite a good one actually. This is the Goop Beauty Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. I still don't know how you use it. Like, I can't tell if it's for your face or if it's for your body. I think I will keep it though, because I always love a good scrub, so I'll have to figure out, I'll like do some research on it and see like, yeah, what part of the body it's for. But okay, I have the Bare Minerals Maximalist Mascara, which I will be keeping as well because, yeah, as I've said, I've got rid of a few mascaras. So. But I will be getting rid of this. This is the Plumpet Volumizing Lip Oil. I just don't really see myself reaching for it. It doesn't have a shade or anything. It's literally just like a clear like lip oil, and like it looks kind of cool and interesting, but I just don't think that I'd reach for it. So just being a little bit realistic with myself. And I feel like I have like my Colourpop So Juicy plumping glosses and things like that that I would reach for over something like this. So this is the Way Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask, which yes, I will be keeping. I'm very excited about that. This is the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm, which I will keep. If I don't end up using it, I know that my little sister really likes it, so I might even pass it along to her, or even, you know, give it to her as a Christmas present or something like that. But yeah, I will be keeping this. This is the Jouer highlighter, but I'm so upset because it's like shattered. But I'm still gonna try and like salvage it. It's in the shade Ice, so yeah. I will be passing along these lashes. These are Land of Lashes in Nude Lash, and once again, they're just not really my style. These also came in the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar. I think I'm also going to pass this along as well. This is the Iconic London Plumping Gloss, and I was so excited for this, but it's just not a shade that I think that I'll reach for, unfortunately. So you can see it's like, oh. Now that I'm looking at it again, it kind of looks, I don't know. No, I think I need to pass it along because it's too risky. Like, I feel like it's too close to one of those shades that just do not suit me, and I'd hate to use it and then realise I don't want it, and then, you know, I can't pass it along anymore. So we have a couple Olaplex things. We have the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner, and I will be keeping those. I am very interested in trying these out. I'll also be keeping this, the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosehip Argan and Coconut Oil Blend. I'm so excited about this one actually. So yeah, this was a really good find as well in one of the calendars. I can't remember what one. I think it was Revolve or ASOS, I can't remember though. I'm gonna keep this. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I swear it was called Slay All Day. Anyway, it's obviously like a mini, but I feel like quite a few of my liquid liners are being quite dried out lately as well, so. Okay, I'm gonna pass along these. These are the Brushworks Microfiber Wrist Wash Bands, just because once again, it's not something that I'm gonna use. I wish that I was the type of girl that would reach for these, but I'm just not, so I'm just going to pass them along. I will, however, keep, yeah, I think I will keep these. These are the Brushworks Powder Puffs. I'm going to get into a couple of the MCO bits. I will pass this one along. This is a mini of the Super Glow Bronzing Drops because I've got the full size of that, so she can get passed along. Anyway, I'm going to pass these along. These are the Boosted Double Side Body Tape. It's just not something that I will probably reach for, so yeah. I will be passing along this clip. It's just not for me, unfortunately, so yeah, I'm gonna pass her along. I think I'll keep these. Yeah, I think I will. These are the Slip 4 Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies. That's such a mouthful, but yes, I will be keeping those. You can never go wrong with a headband. Or hairband, I should say. I will be passing along this scrunchie because it's just not really for me. I don't really like the way it looks. I think, yeah, it's not very nice. Sorry. I'll also be passing this along. This is the Glow Lip Balm in the Watermelon scent. This is, or flavour, or whatever you want to call it, from MCO Beauty, because once again I have the full size of that. This is a beauty sponge, and I know that I said I was like low on them at the moment, but this one just doesn't feel super nice, so I'm going to pass that one along as well. Invisibubble. I think I'm going to try these. I don't think I've used them before, so I am going to keep them and I am going to try them. This is the Neon Candle, the Bedtime Hero, and I already have one of these, but I am going to keep this one as well because once again they're like quite small sizes and I do like this candle, so I will keep her. This is the Glow Hub facial serum with hyaluronic acid and polyglutamate acid for skin that needs a hit of hydration, which I will keep because once again I need all the hydration I can get, so yes, I will be keeping that. Guys, I honestly feel like this is going to have to be like a two-parter, to be honest, because we've been filming for quite a while, so we've still got quite a few to get through. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here, and then in part 2 we will talk about everything else. So yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2.